everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I have a what's in my bag video. This is the Prada Reedition 2000. It is a nylon deep chocolate brown bag and I love it. I have not purchased a bag in several years where I've just been so fanatic about it, and the beauty of this is that it's just so simple. It's so simple, it goes with everything because the brown is such a neutral, and it's just one of those quick grab and go type of bags. I don't think about it, I don't worry about it, and it fits so much. And essentially I wanted it to be like a slouchy bag, and this is definitely filled to the brim. So if you're like me and you have like sunglasses, glasses, phone, and then like multiple other things, like fear not, this bag will do you good. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I have, and it's just like a beautiful zipper opening. I'm not going to do a review on the bag itself, but if you want me to, comment down below and I will. I have my sunglasses case. Now this is in a Tiffany pouch, but it's actually my Cartier sunglasses. Now these are the only sunglasses I own. They were expensive, they are prescription filled, and so this is what they look like, and I really like them. I bought these, when did I buy these? Like if you look at every what's in my bag video, these are the only glasses I have. And I think it's been over 10 years and it's still a classic cat eye, and it's very just nonchalant. And it has the rubber pads, but even with the rubber pads, I still get like, my nose is just very sensitive to like weight on it. So I'll still get like the little things, and I've tried like all sorts of nose pads, but it just doesn't do it for me, but it's fine. I'll, you know, sacrifice that. So I have them in here. Then I have my phone. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, and it has my booby girl on there. That's Lola, by the way, if you don't know who that is, my Shih Tzu. I wanted to say puppy Shih Tzu, which I do call her my puppy, but she's 7 years old now, but she's still my puppy. Then I have my keychain, which is kind of the bulkiest and like unnecessary sort of thing, but I don't know what else to do. So I have like a spare car key. Well, it's mine that I share with my boyfriend. And then I have a house key, and then I got this Kate Spade thing that says it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's a bit tacky. And then this one that says keep it together. So essentially it was supposed to just be this. But then I needed my Louis clay, and that's just to house any coins, and I've only got like 4 cents in there. But I don't know, I see people like with this all the time and it looks so effortless, but with me I'm just like, oh, you know, I don't know how to do it. It kind of just, you know, and I know people put like their cards in here and everything, but I will show you what I've got instead. That's just worked better for me. I've kind of like separated them out because I don't need my car keys for work. So this is just kind of like my weekend sort of thing. What am I talking about? It is in here. Now I will do a separate review if you want. This has been the best purchase after my nylon bag. This is a Louis Vuitton card holder. You'll probably find it in the men's section, just because it's this, let me turn this around, just because it's the, this print, and it's one of their newer ones because it's like 3D lasered or something, and it's really nice because it has like a pocket behind, which I don't use, but it's just so easy. It has all my cards here, my license, and then some other cards, and I can still fit another card in here, and then it has like sections here, so I've got like, I think I've got like a good amount of money in this side, and then I've got like my loyalty cards and like health insurance, medical insurance, dental, all that stuff, as well as my BLS life-saving card. And then and I've also got like a $20, I think it's a $20 in here too, and I normally put it on this side so that in a pinch, in case of an emergency, I have like a little bit of cash on me. But this is so handy. It's just so compact, it's easy, because I normally actually don't carry cash with me. It's always normally card. So this just, I love this thing. Like, I love it so much. It's amazing. And then in here, oh man, just a whole bunch of, let me see if you can see, a whole bunch of nothings. Most importantly, I have a hand sanitizing spray. This is by Summer Fridays, and it smells so good. And actually, I won this. So Summer Fridays, at the very beginning of COVID, they asked if there was any, if you worked in a health clinic, hospital, whatever, if you're in the medical field, which I am, you can nominate your department. So I did, and I actually won, and I couldn't believe it. So that was super cool. So they gave us like 90 bottles, so I gave them to the entire department. And yeah, it's still going strong because I used other ones. You know, nowadays you've got hand sanitizers everywhere, which I always already, I mean, if you're in the field, you always had it kind of anyway, but I kind of saved this one because it smells kind of cologne-y. It's really good. And yeah, anyway, so that's that hand sanitizer. Then I have, this is hilarious. Oh, they don't smell anymore, which is kind of weird, but I guess it's been like months. I have 3 Baccarat Rouge 540 cards that have different scents on it. The extract, the eau de parfum, and then the hair mist. And originally, and I'm sure you know, this woody amber florally perfume has, you know, gone buck wild on the internet. And I've got the oil, I've got the perfume, the extract, and I've actually got a dossier sample of their inspired version of this fragrance, and I'm going to do a review on all of them and see really if you need to spend like X amount of money for it, because they're very expensive. But I put them in here because they smell amazing, and it just kind of like lingered on anything that was in my bag, and it just was amazing. But now it's been quite a while, so I mean, you can see this one's even got like receipt prints on it. I can get rid of these now. Okay, then I went to Utah randomly because I had to go for a work trip. I was presenting and or representing my team. And so the flights gave us these hand sanitizing wipes. I think it was Delta, and I already had some, so I used those for my seats and belt, but they gave these, so I kept them. I've got some Tylenol in here because going to Utah, I struggled with headaches, I guess, acclimatizing to the, you know, the surroundings. I have a grocery list for Trader Joe's, and things that I wanted are like cod, chicken, parsley, lemon, lime, heavy cream, asparagus, bell peppers, mincemeat, sour cream, avocado, and tortilla chips. And then what else do I have in here? Oh, and then I have some more Purell, and then I have some Tylenol in a little packet. And then the last few things, and then it's empty, is this Moroccan oil body hand cream. It's called Moroccan oil body, but it's the hand cream. And this is such a good one. It's like an original like Moroccan oil scent. Oh, it's so good. And it's very, very nourishing. I really like this. I must have got a sample of it, but I would buy the full size. I have a Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Pump Balm. This is very good. I like my La Mer one better, but this is stick form, so hopefully La Mer will come out with a stick form too. And then this one, which I wasn't too keen on, it was the Louis Vuitton. It's their new eau de parfum called Étoile Filante, Star something, and it was too fresh for me. I like more of a warmer, ambery, Baccarat 540 type of scent rather than like a citrusy fresh scent. And that is it. So, you know, I had a lot of stuff in here, and it's just like one big bag, but it is just so easy, and I love it. And I love this color, and they have a really nice like creamy nude, which is nice, and the black, you cannot go wrong, and it's just wipeable, it's just easy, and it's not in your face. You could turn it around this way if you didn't really want a logo. It's just a very effortless accessory, and I highly recommend it because and I would get like look up, if you really want one, I would get one like now versus later, because they keep putting the price up. So since my time, this has gone up even more. And I know a lot of you guys on Instagram, if you don't follow me, I'm just at Sparkle Miss A, have been asking about this color, and there was only a few left in the United States, and so I don't think there is this color anymore, but you might be able to, they might come out with like another version of this, or you might be able to find one that someone's selling, but I really would actually just recommend the black. And I know you could get a black bag anytime, but honestly this one's just so chic. Or the cream one, I really like the cream. Now they have like a blue, a pink, and it depends like what your vibe is, but I just think classic is just so chic, and I love this color. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, that is that. I really hope you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.